Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today my new topic is names of colors. Names of colors. Okay, now can you tell me which color is this? Pink. This is pink color. Yes, this is pink color. And can you tell me which color is this? Yellow. This is yellow color. Okay, now I am telling you spelling of pink. Now repeat after me. P-I-N-K, pink. P-I-N-K, pink. And spelling of yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. Okay, now look here. Can you tell me which color is this? This is green color. Which color is this? Green. And spelling of green? G-R-E-E-N, green. G-R-E-E-N, green. And can you tell me which color is this? Red. Yes, this is red color. And spelling of red? R-E-D, red. All of you repeat after me. R-E-D, red. Again. P-I-N-K, pink. Y-E-L-L-O-W, yellow. G-R-E-E-N, green. R-E-D, red. Okay, now look over here. Can you tell me which color is this? This is blue color. Yes, this color is blue. And spelling of blue? Look here. B-L-U-E, blue. B-L-U-E, blue. Next color is brown. Which color is this? Brown. And spelling of brown? B-R-O-W-N, brown. B-R-O-W-N, brown. Pink, yellow, green, red, blue, brown, and orange. Which color is this? Orange color. This is orange color. And spelling of orange? Repeat after me. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange. Look at the board. I have 7 colors over here. Can you see? Yes. Pink, yellow, green, red, blue, brown, and orange. Dear students, write colors name 3 times on your rough notebook and learn their spelling. Thank you.